In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Suno AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to compare plans so you can choose the option that fits your needs and your budget. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Suno AI website. Give the page a moment to load so all the account and billing options are visible. Using an up-to-date browser will ensure everything displays correctly. Next, look to the top right area of the site and click on Profile. This is typically shown as your avatar or a profile icon. Opening this menu brings all your personal settings into view so you can manage your account details. From there, select Account. This takes you to the main subscription and billing page, where you can review plan options and see pricing clearly. Think of this as your central dashboard for choosing and managing your Suno AI subscription. On the account page, start by checking the monthly option. Viewing monthly pricing is helpful if you want flexibility and prefer paying as you go. It's a good way to try a plan for a shorter period without making a long commitment. Now, switch over to yearly. This view shows annual pricing and any savings that come with paying for a full year up front. If you're confident you'll use Suno AI regularly, the yearly option can often be more cost-effective over time. Below the billing toggle, you'll see the plan choices. Click on the free plan to understand what's included at no cost. This is useful if you're just getting started and want to explore the basics before upgrading. Then click on the Pro plan to see what additional features, limits, or tools you'd get as your needs grow. This plan is designed for users who create more frequently and want expanded capabilities without going all the way to the top tier. Next, click on the Premier plan to review the highest level of features and the most generous limits. This is ideal if you want the most robust experience and expect to use Suno AI extensively. Before you decide, check the currency selector if available. Choose your local currency so prices reflect your region accurately. This helps you compare monthly versus yearly totals at a glance, including any taxes or fees that may appear at checkout. Once you've compared billing frequency and reviewed each plan, simply select the one that fits your goals. The site will guide you through confirming your choice, and that's how to subscribe to Suno AI, quick, clear, and tailored to your needs.